Good morning! We made pancakes from scratch. Who's the best?
Me.
He did it, guys. Nag-search siya sa Google niya kasi gusto niya mag-pancake tapos wala na kami yung pancake mix. So ito yung aming pancake. All-purpose flour and then baking soda, butter, basta. Okay, we'll start. That's a dark pancake, babe.
Yep.
Yup. Nag-smoothie din kami. Last na to na frozen berries, frozen strawberries. So, kailangan naman bumili. Pupunta kami ng Costco today kasi mas malaki yung sa kanila doon. Mas marami. Pupunta kami ng Kmart, guys. Sir, look. Close pa sila. Can you use that card to Kmart?
What card?
This.
Why not?
Because it's for Kohl's, is it? No? Ah, yeah.
Yeah, you can use it for the same thing.
Kmart. No, it says here Kmart. I don't think they will mind anyway, huh?
No.
The cart. Close pa. Marami na naghihintay. Close pa yung Kmart. Marami na naghihintay ng mga tao dito. Kaloka to si Dan. Let me drive, babe.
Sure.
What?
When you stop drinking alcohol at 2 o'clock in the morning, you can start driving.
Stop drinking alcohol.
You drink way too much alcohol. It's not good for you.
Yeah.
I'd like a nice Christian girl that doesn't drink alcohol and prays 4 times a day.
He's joking, you guys.
No, I'm serious. I would.
Some people will believe you.
A nice Christian girl that doesn't drink and then believes in God.
I believe in God.
Lord, hear our prayer.
You don't?
I believe in God. I do so.
What?
Excuse me. I'm the only one that goes to church every week.
You don't?
I do.
Stop lying.
I don't too.
Hey, you can't joke around that. Don't stop. I'm wearing this necklace that Catherine gave me. Super thank you. This is from House of Harlow.
That looks good.
I know, I love it.
Good taste, Kathleen.
Yeah. Catherine.
Catherine.
You said Kathleen. Thank you, Kat. Super pretty. I like it. It's gold as well, which I like. So, and then this kimono, I forgot where I got. Siguro sa Gaisano. Tagal na sa akin ito eh. And then itong romper from Cotton On. It's a black romper. And then my bag is from Emilu, galing Japan. Thank you so much. And then I'm not sure if I will be wearing my hat, but dala ko yung hat ko from Zafu. We will go sa Savers. Are we going to Savers or we're going to our appointment?
We're going to the plaza, get the plates.
Oh, we're going to Kmart again. Punta kami sa ibang Kmart. Meron kami kailangan bilhin doon. So, after that, appointment, babe?
Kmart, appointment, Costco.
Okay. Costco! We'll go to Costco! What do you want to do? What did he say? Spring cleaning? You clean.
I always clean the house. All I do is clean the house.
Who vacuumed last night?
Me.
You
You
did.
clean the bathroom? Me.
You did, yeah.
Who did the
Good
washing?
job.
Me.
I did the washing. I cleaned. We're going to chat time. Gusto nila mag-bubble tea. Yummers. Dan is getting this. And then may matcha. Add 50 cents per lunch. Easy. We're here sa Costco. Parang yung bibili namin dito yung lang ata frozen fruit. Do you have the list, babe? Dito kami sa Costco. Chocolate? Or lollies? Lollies? Pretzels? Danny boy. Oh. What did we get?
Fruit.
Fruit? We got blueberries and mango. Hello, babe, spinach. Yum. 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 We're looking at the Dyson V6, guys. Ito yung cord-free. Tapos siya, it's lighter. So, madali lang siya. Kasi yung vacuum niya dan, ang bigat. Tapos, mayroon pang cord. Tapos, yung cord niya, na, defective. Hindi na siya nagsistay in place. So, I like this one. This is $429 right there. Or $430. Nagpunta kami sa Good Guys, was it? Good Guys kahapon. Tapos, hindi ko alam kung magkano yun eh. I-check na dan. Are you checking how much is it? Yeah. So, kung mas mura dito na lang namin bibilhin.
Hello Madison, my name's Daniel. Just seeing how much your Dyson V6 cordless free vacuum cleaner is. Yep. 1, 2. Chicken and pasta.
She said 5 cents. Ganda ng necklace na to. Hala, nangyari dito? Hala! Is that... That's not blood. I think that's from the fruit. That's weird. Okay.
Cool. And do you price match? Because I'm at the Good Guys now, and they're 400. Not Good Guys, sorry. I'm at Costco, and they're $429.99. Okay. Sure. So it's another price, I guess.
Okay. Tinatanong ni Dan kung magbibigay sila ng discount. Kasi parang diba yung ibang store sabi nila, if makakita ka ng mas mura, bibigay namin sa'yo ng mas mura pa. Something like that. Yeah. So he's doing that right now. And see kung we can get it for lesser. Sabi ko kasi, ito yung gagawin kong splurge. So, unang sweldo ko. So,
alright, no worries.
I think this is gonna be it.
That's alright, bye.
What? No?
That's alright.
Let's buy this?
Cheaper here.
It is cheaper. Yeah, let's buy.
So how do you do this? What do you have to do to get this?
Yay!
Are you happy with this way?
I am happy. I think they will test it, right?
Sorry?
Are they gonna test it before we actually get it?
No.
No? Okay. Let's go. Nag-vacuum siya kagabi. Hello, what is going on? I think I have
Oh, you're bleeding.
It is bleeding.
You got
What?
a little cut there.
I thought it was a fruit. I thought it's from the berries, but it is bleeding.
Yeah.
What the heck is going on?
Who knows? So you'd have to clean this every time you vacuum like.
Yeah? Sige. It's lighter. Do you want me to try it?
No,
Get it.
It's not turned on.
Yeah, but I just wanna...
Okay.
Can you get it for me?
It's right there.
Yeah, that's lighter. I like that. Are you sure this is the one we tried?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get this. Dyson. We got the Dyson! Yay! We will go to the pub for lunch. Meron pa silang free na ganito, oh. Sa ano, if you buy the V6, meron silang ganito ng mga free, mga attachments worth $99. Kaya lang I need to do it online. For me, that's worth it. $430, and sa Good Guys, is it Good Guys? Let me do that, babe. Let me do that. Let me do that. Ano nga ulit yung sinasabi ko, guys? Si Dan kasi, meron tinitingnan, nagda-drive. Nakastop na kami. Meron ka, makukuha mo ito free. Itong lahat. $99 worth siya. Makukuha mo siya ng free. But I have to fill up this form. Tapos, anong gagawin ko? Yeah, send them a copy of the receipt. And then, mail it to them. Cool. Yeah, and they will send it to us. Nice. Kahapon nag-vacuum sa Dan and sobrang pinagpawisan siya. Siya lang nga nag-vacuum, pinagpawisan siya. How much more ako? Kasi yung vacuum namin mabigat, tapos may cord pa. So, sabi ko talaga, yun yung bibilhin ko. Kasi it's not cheap, it's expensive. But it's a good investment para sa akin. We will have lunch here. Cooper's Ale House. Fancy. I like that. Yung mga bricks. Fancy. Outfit of the day. Oops. Nope. Just kidding. Nakikita nyo ba yan? Beer. Cooper's is a beer brand, right?
Going here, like the water coming out.
Yeah.
Cool everyone down.
Yeah, it actually looks really nice. It's so fancy in here.
It's nice.
Meron silang outside na maganda sa labas. I'm against the light, babe. But that's alright. We got our lemon bitters. Meron silang nachos dito, which is good. Kasi matagal na ako hindi nakaka-nachos. What did you get? Crispy chicken.
Crispy burger. Chicken burger.
Crispy chicken burger yung kay Dan. And yeah.
Footy on as well.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Why?
Someone's changed the channel.
Oh well. Got my pulled pork. Got my pulled pork nachos. So Dan yung crispy chicken burger niya. Is it good, babe? The chips?
I thought the burger would be bigger, to be honest with you.
Yeah? It's alright. We can try my food. Punta kami ng
Savers.
Savers.
Shop them in there. Don't you get like some free credits?
Yeah, you can get free credit.
Oh, you look in there and I'll do the drive-through.
What? Where's the drive-through?
Around the back.
So what do you want me to do?
You can look for you. I can look for some clothes.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see how the donations work.
Okay. Punta kami ng Savers. I-donate ko yung mga clothes na hindi ko na ginagamit. Yung mga hindi ko pa nagamit na hindi kasya sa akin. And I know sasabihin ng iba, i-donate mo sa Pilipinas. Pero guys, itong mga to, ano siya, mga panglamig. So, kahit na dalhin ko sa Pilipinas, walang tatanggap. Kasi mga coat, ganun. Wait. We're off to grocery shopping! Nakabili ako ng blazer. Merong blazer doon magkasya sa akin. Ano, dinonate ni Dan. Meron silang drive-thru na donation dito. Dinonate ni Dan yung...
That's what the donation is right there.
2 boxes, babe, right? Yeah. Ito. 2 boxes worth of clothes. Tapos meron kang 5% on first donation. And yung top is, I mean, yung blazer is $7.99. So, meron akong 40 cents off. Yes! Saving money! Sabi ni Dan, sa dami ng dinonate mo, naka 40 cents ka lang.
We don't donate for the money, we donate to get all the shit out of the house.
Yeah, that's true. We don't donate for the money. Or for the savings, whatever.
Yeah, too much stuff.
There's
too much clothes.
Too much clothes.
Too much clothes.
Yeah.
Way too much clothes.
First donation, meron kang 5% off if bumili ka. Second donation, merong 10%. So, nag-a-add siya ng 5% every donation. So, yeah, first time pa lang namin mag-donate, kaya 5%. And then, sabi ko kay Dad, sana dinandalawa mo or tinatlo. Kasi 2 boxes yun eh. Pero sabi niya, hindi naman tayo nag-donate para makasave. Nag-donate tayo para mawala na yung lahat ng mga damit mo doon. Tama nga naman. At least nakasave ako ng 40 cents, babe. Tapos, kasyang-kasya pa siya sa akin. Nakakaloka ang liit. That's good though. It's size 0, babe. That's it. That's my size. Good girl, good girl. Gusto ko na i-open. Actually, na-open ko na, guys. Yung vacuum. Ito yung batayan. Batayan? Ito yung, ano ba yun, sign na tumatanda ka na kasi na-excite ka sa vacuum cleaner. Nakakalok. Anyway, ano ko siya. Gusto ko siyang gamitin. Gusto ko gamitin. Tapos na maglinis, gagamitin yung vacuum. Gusto ko siya i-assemble, babe. I wanna assemble it. Si Dan, nanonood naman ng football. Crows is playing. Yung ayaw ni Dan team. Is that your favorite team, babe?
No.
He said yes. He said no. I wanna use it right now, babe, to see if it works.
I think I'm gonna charge it for a little bit.
Oh, you have to charge it. So, I'm gonna charge it then. Wala, nandito yung warranty, babe. The warranty is here. Sinend ko na online yung request ko para sa yung ibang attachments. And they said, daw, 60 days daw. So, we'll see. Ay, excited ako sa dice. Kasi it's super light, guys. Super light. Siguro maglilinis ako araw-araw talaga. Kahit nga si Dan na lalaki siya, ha. Tapos, like, you know, lalaki siya. Nahirapan na siya mag-vacuum kahapon. Sa vacuum na meron siya ngayon. Ako pa kaya? Liit kong tao. Hala, I don't really know what I'm doing here. No one's helping me around here. Pour me! Chicken from Costco. Wait, off ko muna to. When me living out. Costco, guys. Chicken. And then a ranch. Isa to sa mga handa ni Kat ng birthday niya. Sobrang nagustuhan siya ni Dan. So, nagpunta kami ng Costco, bumili kami. And nilagay lang namin siya sa oven ng hindi ko alam kung ilang minutes. Kasi na-busy kami kanina, hindi na namin napansin. But, yeah, it's good, sabi ni Dan. Hindi ko pa siya na-try eh. Kasi hindi ko siya na-try sa birthday ni Kati. Yung kinain ko yung mga lang. Yung, is it good, babe? Is it really hot?
It's hot.
It's hot. Kain! Kain tayo. Nagluto ako ng rice pero hindi ako kakain ng rice. Bukas na yun. Baon ko bukas.